In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to blur objects and faces in Clipchamp quickly and easily. Whether you want to hide sensitive information, protect someone's privacy, or create a professional censor effect, Clipchamp makes it simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along in real time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. This can be a brand new project or an existing one that you're already working on. Once you're inside the editor, head down to your timeline and click on the specific video clip where you want to blur something. Then move your playhead, which is the vertical line on the timeline, to the exact point in the video where the object or face appears. This step is important because you want to clearly see the area you're planning to blur in the preview window. After selecting your clip and positioning the playhead correctly, look over to the right-hand Properties panel. Here you'll see different editing options for your selected clip. Click on the Effects tab. This is where Clipchamp stores all the visual effects that you can apply to your footage. Inside the Effects section, scroll through the available options until you find Blur. Go ahead and click on Blur to apply it to your selected clip. As soon as you click it, you'll notice the blur effect is added to your video in the preview window. Now comes the important part. Adjusting the blur. Once the blur effect is active, you can modify its intensity to get the exact look you want. Increase the blur strength if you need to heavily obscure a face, license plate, document, or background detail. Lower it slightly if you just want a softer, stylistic blur. Keep previewing the video as you adjust so you can see the changes in real time. If you only need the blur for a specific portion of the clip, you can split the clip at the beginning and end of the section you want blurred. To do that, position the playhead where you want the blur to start. Click Split, then move to where you want it to end, and split again. Apply the blur effect only to that middle section. This gives you precise control and keeps the rest of your video unaffected. Take a moment to play back your footage from a few seconds before the blur starts. Make sure the transition feels natural and that the blur fully covers the object or face you're trying to hide. If needed, go back and adjust the intensity again until you're satisfied. And that's it. That's how you blur objects and faces in Clipchamp quickly and easily. It's a simple effect, but it makes a huge difference when it comes to privacy, professionalism, and clean editing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Clipchamp tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.